Hiya, Friday 7th of November. Gosh, it was a rainy day today. I've drawn a little line on my satellite image. It's an occluded front, so there's not a huge amount of a change in air mass when this goes through. So the temperatures are going to kind of be similar for the next few days too. So although it's been raining all day and there's a sharp edge on the back of it, it's not actually a cold front, it's occluded. We'll notice that in the change temperature. Having said that, when it does go through, it's going to be quite clear overnight tonight. So it's actually going to get chilly enough down to about 5 or 6 degrees and maybe a degree or so lower than that even in places. Not around coastal areas because the sea temperatures are still high enough. I was out at a debating society meeting last night, and one of the people talking opened this there because it was about climate change. One of the people opened their comments with it being really warm, and that was so strange in November. And I had to point of order, it's actually not that strange for it to be this warm this early in November. We're still in hurricane season. It's still really warm in the Gulf of Mexico. It's still sending up that warm current of water towards Ireland. The southwesterly airflow over that is warmed from beneath by the warm oceans. So it's not actually that surprising for it to be. I think the highest temperature in November is actually about 20 degrees, recorded in 2015, I think. And I'm no good at stats, so I looked this up. So it is recorded in 2015 in Cork. That was the highest November temperature. But anyway, the rest of this week, temperatures are still running a degree or so higher than typical for the time of year. Not a huge amount higher, but slightly higher than typical. So it'll still have that sort of warm feeling if the sun ever comes out. But the sun, it is going to come out. Don't get me wrong. Tomorrow, Saturday, because it's going to be clear tonight, so it'll start off clear in the morning. So there'll be sunshine in the morning, but already by the end of the morning and probably mid-morning, it's going to start getting cloudy in the west because there's another weather front coming through. Overnight on Saturday night into Sunday, the rain could turn heavy. There's another one of these troughing fronts going through, so the rain could be heavy and even a rumble of thunder, maybe a little spot flooding. This time of year, it's easy to flood because it's been raining for what seems like forever, and the drains are full of leaves. I can see them out the window, still falling. So maybe some spot flooding. There'll be more sunshine and showers on Sunday. Probably part of the south and east might stay dry. Even tomorrow might stay dry in the south and east tomorrow, and parts on Sunday could be nice sunshine. Then more rain coming on Monday. I've highlighted the barrels on these metograms. They're called metograms. These are the 51 models run together and displayed that way. And I've highlighted the spread on, I think it's Tuesday, midweek anyway, because of that uncertainty on the amount of rainfall that's going to come from that. Anyway, Sinead, it's long for.